All right, it's Eclipse Day, April 8th. I've got all my setups put together here. I want to show you a few of these setups that I have going on. Here's one setup. It's just a solar filter for a 8-inch telescope mounted on a telephoto lens with my Canon Rebel. So I'll just be filming this on time-lapse. So this will get us a really nice crisp image. The next things that I've got going on here is I climb up the roof. I have two cameras running on the roof. One of them is a GoPro Hero 4 Silver, and all I've done is I've taped some aviators on there to kind of cut the glare a little bit. And then over here I have a GoPro Hero Black 9, and this one I actually have a set of solar filter glasses, along with an additional set of shades on there to just kind of cut a lot of that glare. And these are also both running at time-lapse. And so this one's going to give us a really good view of the disk of the sun with the moon moving over it, and this one's going to give us kind of a natural light view. So those are my 4 setups on Monday, April 8th, Eclipse Day.
Sun. Moon.
Bryn, can you say eclipse?
Eclipse. More walk.
More walk.
Cool?
Cool!